Happy New Year, everyone! Let's learn how to create this Welcome 2024 trending video that you can share with your friends and family members. The apps that we need in order to create this video are the TikTok and CapCut applications. If you don't have CapCut on your device, you can go over to your App Store or the Google Play Store and install it. It's absolutely free. Now, without wasting your time, let's start with the video. Open the TikTok app and then go over to this specific TikTok profile. Once you're here, you will see this video that has the Welcome 2024 template applied over it. And if you want to create the same kind of video, simply tap on this button called CapCut. Try this template. And after that, we're going to click on the Use Template in CapCut. And just wait a couple of seconds until this template imports into our CapCut application. And when it does, you're going to see a preview on how this template looks like. We then have to import our photos and videos for this, so tap on this Use Template button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, your photo gallery is going to open, so simply select the photos or videos that you would like to use. And when you do select them, just tap on the Next button at the bottom right corner of the screen and wait a couple of seconds until CapCut creates your video. Once the video is created, you can see how it looks like, and we have an option to add a sound or music in the TikTok application. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.